How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and where it's most likely going to be heading in the next week to two. And I've actually figured out something very interesting in the chart which might be playing out very soon. So I want you guys to take a look at this for yourselves, and let's get straight into the video, guys. If you guys are new around here, leave a like and subscribe. Get it. Deep in the night, I'm looking for some fun. Alright, so jumping straight into the charts, as we can see right now, this is the weekly chart for Bitcoin, and this is a chart that I posted yesterday on the Discord server. If you guys are not already in there, join the Discord, it's linked down below in the description. And this is the trend line that I had drawn out and I posted in there, and I said, guys, listen up, okay? Most likely this trend line will be getting rejected and will bounce off of it and continue going towards the downside when the CPI report came out. And guess what happened after, guys? We did bounce off, and look at that clear rejection. We just did a straight up nuke. If you go into the hourly chart, like, this is insane. Like, it literally just touched it and we nuked. CPI report came down, boom, straight to the ground. Now, I have two scenarios for Bitcoin and how I'm going to be entering a trade for the next positions, and I'm kind of wanting to go long, and I'll explain to you why I want to go for a long position soon, and you guys can go in long position with me as well. So basically, Bitcoin saw some support on this line right here. It actually goes back down here from this wick, I think, and we did go below that wick. Now we are starting to show strength and we're currently going towards the upside. So if we do end up flipping this resistance line and going up and retesting, I'm going to enter a long position like around about right there. And I don't want to miss out because I have one pattern which I think will be playing out that no one really notices yet, and it's going to be this pattern right here. So as you can see, this is the Wyckoff accumulation schematic, and basically what happens is the price goes up, which has already happened right here, guys. As you can see, price goes up for a certain amount of time, then price goes down, and we had that right here. Now what it is this part of the graph where it goes down, up, down, up, down, up. This is liquidity being stopped out. All this is just liquidity. So this is the liquidity. It's going down like this, as you guys can see. This is the liquidity, and most likely if this does happen and price continues to go up, then I am going to be entering a long position, and I want to be making sure that I'm in there and not missing out. Now we also kind of see in the future that most likely we will be going down to test these levels and liquidate them for a nice little liquidation cascade, collect their liquidations, and then that's when the bottom comes in for Bitcoin. Now bottoms do tend to be at the very bottom of a formation, just as we saw in last year. As we can see right here, this is the price when it was at 35k, when Bitcoin nuked down from 65k to 35, and the bottom was at the very end. Obviously these right here are bottoms as well, but you don't want to be making a trade here and then waiting all this period of time, which is about 3 months, for then price to go up after. So you want to make sure that you wait for the very bottom of the end of the formation, and then you enter along around about here somewhere, and you don't miss out. So to clarify with you guys, to be knowing what I'm going to be doing, is I'm going to be entering a long position to see if it does happen, and I will be entering right here on the retest of here if the price does retest, and that's going to be very soon, so I'm not going to miss out on that. And if that does not happen, I'll be waiting to buy at 17.2k and 16k, which I mentioned in my last videos. Go out and look at them, guys. The video's on screen right now, next to my face, down that way, and I'll guys see you in my next video. Peace out.